Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn about table border. So this is a table that I have created. So in this table we have 3 rows. Okay, so first let's run this and open PDF, and the table look like this. Okay, so just close. And so before we proceed, first you need to open GitHub page of itext7. Okay, so here you can see github.com/itext/itext7. Now here just open this layout, then src, then main, and here you need to open borders. Okay, so just open this and minimize. Now here we want to set border. So first we need to create one border object. So make sure you choose this itext border. Okay, border 1 equal to new. Now here you can see many options. So for example we will create here group border. Okay, and put semicolon here. Now here you can see red line. Okay, so just go to the page and here you can see group border. So just click on this group border. So here you can see its constructor. First is width, one another is RGB color and width. Okay, so what we need to do, just put width here. So for example we will put 3, and now add this border here in this cell. Dot set border and border 1. Now run this. Now open the PDF, and here you can see group border. Okay, now here we want to add colors, and for that here in this border object, new device RGB 200, for example 7 and 4, put comma here. So first is color and the second argument is width. Now run this. Open PDF, and here you can see color. Okay, now go to the page and here you can see different type of borders that you can use. For example we can use this double border, and for that here we can directly use this border. So dot set border and remove this. New double border, and here new device RGB, for example 130 comma 70 comma 45. Okay, comma its width, for example we will put 5 at this time. Okay, and now run. And here you can see double border. Same you can use other borders, for example this 3D dashed border, dotted border. And if you want to see constructor and any other property of that borders, then you can just click and see. Okay, so this is end of this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will continue this topic and learn something new. So please hit like button and subscribe the channel.